Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix an iPhone that's locked to its owner. If you're facing this issue, you're not alone. It can happen due to various reasons, such as forgetting the passcode or inheriting an iPhone from a family member. Whatever the reason, we've got you covered with some easy solutions to fix your iPhone. So let's get started. The very first thing you gotta do is swipe up from here. Then select your preferred language. Choose your country. Proceed with setup manually. Go for continue. Then connect to the Wi-Fi network. Okay, from here, you can either use Apple ID and password to unlock the iPhone, or else you can use the previous passcode you've been using to unlock this iPhone. So I'm going with unlock with passcode. So I'm entering my passcode. Then follow as is due. So there you have it. So this is the easiest method to fix an iPhone that's locked to its owner. We hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related videos. Thanks for watching.